Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean a goose. The way we do it is first we make our first incision right above the breast, just under the skin. And then we get into that incision with our fingernails. And then just pull the skin down over the breast. Then once you have the breast exposed, take your knife and you breast it out just like a duck. Right down the breastbone. Make sure you get to the bottom of it. Go all the way up. And then right here, kind of where I consider the clavicle, just make an incision going down that. And then you'll take your fingers and get on, there's two flaps of meat there. You want to get under that one, and then just start cutting it straight off the bone. That way you save the most meat off of the goose. You'll be able to reach underneath and basically just pull it straight off until you start seeing the bone and cartilage, and just cut it clean off. And there's one breast ready to go. Second breast, same thing. You have your second breast. So now, we like to take the legs off. We think that that is a very underutilized part of the goose. And a lot of people just stop right here. But to get the legs out, you take, they're right here inside the cavity. So you push them out, and basically you just tear the feathers and all the down right off of them, and you try and get up underneath as much as possible so you can get your hand through like that, and then you should be able to pull down basically to where that skin meets the feather on the leg, and then you follow that down outside of here. So now what I'm going to show you is how to dislocate the leg from the rest of the body. So I just hold it over my tailgate like that, and then I do a little bit of a cut down right alongside the main body. So now you've got basically the hip exposed. You just fold it over and pop that out, right like that. That's what you want to see. So now you'll be able to get your knife in there and just cut right alongside there. The breast should just come off like that. And there you have one goose leg. Now get the other. You have your second leg. So now you want to take your game shears and just simply cut the rest of the leg off, and there you have it. First leg completely done. Just shrink right that. And there you have it. That is how to utilize breasts and legs of goose.